Hi guys, welcome back to the second episode of Sundays with Soumya. And in today's episode, we are going to talk about when you're having days like this. That's right, days when you cannot focus on anything, when you are having the worst ever day possible. When your old demons come back to haunt you and they don't let you go. These are days when you are stuck in such a cycle of negative thought that you cannot get out of it even if you try your best. And these are the kind of days that I have been having recently. And the kind of days when you just can't concern yourself to get up and do your day-to-day activities, your daily activities, because somehow you don't have the inner strength to function. Maybe because of all the things that are going around recently, or because of whatever is going on inside your head, this negative thought pattern that does not allow you to move and keeps you trapped in a sort of thought patterns come out of one small activity or one small thing which you might have thought about in the past, but you haven't realized it, and that is the one trigger that has caused all these things. Maybe our brain is just an expert at conjuring up illusions, and maybe because of that one time when you thought about something or somebody said something negative to you, that thought got lodged in your head, and because of that all these thoughts have come up, which are not necessarily being created by any of the circumstances around you. Or maybe they are. Maybe these thoughts are created by the current circumstances around you, of things that are happening and things maybe that you cannot control, and that these thoughts are created by circumstances around us. Maybe because it is very difficult for us to accept our circumstances currently, because they are not what we had imagined, and it is this illusion of maybe having some sort of perfect illusory happiness or perfection in our life that is causing us to be so depressed, or so maybe unable to function in our current circumstances. And these are the type of, this is my day described in one paragraph. These are the kind of days that I have been having, and what came to me as an epiphany recently is that our negative thoughts have so much power over us, because when we have a negative thought, we never think that something that is the opposite of that can happen. We never allow ourselves to think that something apart can happen, because that is the power of a negative emotion. That is the power with which they attack us, and sometimes it happens that you cannot get over this feeling, because mostly it is created inside you, and it knows about your weaknesses and it attacks those points. So what I realized is that even in this terrible situation, what we should do is that we should, even in this state of trauma or state of not being able to function, what we should do is that we should allow ourselves to hope, and that itself is going to allow us to be or function more effectively. Because if you think about it, even hope is just something, there's something that I read, that even hope is realism, because it does not necessarily force you to see something that is extremely extravagant or extremely out of your sphere of thinking, but it does allow you to function. So hope allows us to function. So what we can do in the depth of our depression, or in the depth of our, when we are in a tizzy of such terrible negative thoughts, is to just calm down and to think that maybe these thoughts have been created in our head, and maybe these are just the effect of our circumstances, and do not take into effect the big picture. And that in the end there is always hope. There is always hope for a better circumstance to come. Because of the nature of impermanence. As Thich Nhat Hanh once said, that because of the nature of impermanence, everything is possible. And even this thing is impermanent. It is transient and it will pass. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know what you think about it. See you next week. Take care of yourselves. Thank you.